In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open email links with Gmail on Chrome by default. If clicking an email link on a website opens a different app or nothing happens, it usually means Chrome isn't currently allowing Gmail to handle those links. We'll fix that by adjusting one setting so Chrome knows to let Gmail take over mail links. Start by opening Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. That opens the main menu. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's Settings page, which can feel a bit busy, so we'll use the search box at the top to jump right where we need. In the search bar, type Protocol Handler. You'll see results appear immediately. Click on Site Settings in the results to open the site-level controls. On the Site Settings page, scroll to the section labeled Permissions. Under that area, select Additional Content Settings. This reveals more advanced options. Now, click on Protocol Handlers. This is the place that controls which websites are allowed to request permission to handle specific types of links, like email links that start with mail to. If you see that protocol handlers are disabled, that's the reason Gmail can't step in. Turn on the option that says Sites can ask to handle protocols. This setting tells Chrome it's okay for sites such as Gmail to ask to become the default handler for email links. Once this is enabled, Chrome can offer Gmail as your go-to option when you click an email link on any page. A quick note on what to expect. With this setting turned on, Chrome may show a small prompt the next time you're in Gmail or when you click an email link, asking if you want to allow Gmail to open all email links. Allowing it will set Gmail as the default for future clicks. If you don't see a prompt right away, that's fine. Just keep the setting enabled, and Chrome will handle it when the opportunity comes up. If your browser looks slightly different, make sure you're using the latest version of Chrome, since the layout can change with updates. Also, if you're on a work or school device, some settings might be managed by your administrator, which can limit access to this option. That's all you need to do. By enabling sites can ask to handle protocols, you've given Chrome permission to let Gmail take charge of email links, so your clicks should now open a new message in Gmail by default.